What to do if your husband's side chick is texting you? That's another question from one of my followers. For me, do you not text your husband's side chick? Yes. Reasons. If you text back your husband's side chick, she will be happy. She will be happy that you are already aware. That you are already aware that she's having an affair with your husband. That gives her more powers to be going around with your husband. Ignore your husband's side chick. Don't text her back. You don't need to know her. You don't need to know her. Your husband is the one that looks for her. Your husband is the one to respect you. Yes, I think you get me. You know, men at times they go to their side chick telling trash about you, telling them all sorts of things about you that you are in the house. So don't give her that room to talk to you. You don't need to know her. Be quiet. Talk to your husband. If she keeps texting you, show the text to your husband. Tell her to stop. If the lady cannot stop texting you, just know your husband has given her the right to be texting you. So your husband should be accountable for her doing that to you, not her. Because your husband can put an end to all that. If your husband wants to, if your husband truly loves you, he can put an end to all that. Because your husband, they know what they are doing. They always go and talk about their wife when they are with their side chick. They will say all kind of terrible stuff about their wife to their side chick. Yes, so you don't need to know her. You don't have any business with her. Some ladies might go to an extent that they will fight the side chick. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't give her that right to talk to you. You are the boss lady. You are the owner of the house. You are the boss. You are the boss. Just be quiet. Be yourself. Because of your children, your husband will go back. He will come back. Don't leave your marriage because of any woman.